I'm rebuilding my Founder stack. I'm switching to Google AI Pro and Anti-Gravity with Gemini CLI because Claude's token usage is just too high and would break my workflow. I'm even automating these video edits with AI to save time. Working as a full-time software engineer while trying to build an app is a lot. I realized recently that the manual workload was starting to slow down the actual development. So I took a step back to look at the March metrics. I've been using two Gemini agents, a growth strategist and a performance analyst to audit what's actually working and what's not. The data shows I need to be more efficient with my time if I'm going to hit the MVP deadline. A big part of that is the tech stack. I've been looking into Claude code, and while it looks like a great tool, the pricing feels a bit inflated and the token usage is honestly pretty restrictive for a solo founder. I decided to go with Google AI Pro license instead, Gemini CLI and Anti-Gravity. It's a much more sustainable price point for the amount of coding and creative work I need to do. The other bottleneck is video. I'm currently investigating tools like Link to automate the post-production. If I can get the AI to handle the rough codes, I can spend those extra hours actually writing code. I'm curious to hear from other builders. Do you think the cloud pricing is worth it? Or is the Google ecosystem a better value for the money? Also, if you have any AI video tools you swear by, let me know. I'll be over on Threads if you want to debate the stack. See you next week.